Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be trying to make my lineup better. I do need more diamonds in my lineup, and I need some diamond batters. I also need a new second baseman, because my second baseman right now, I really don't want him in my lineup. So I did open a silver pack, and I did get 3 silvers, so maybe I can get a shuffle from that, but I'm going to wait on that for now. Before I do that, actually, I have to check on my pick'em event. I honestly don't think I'm gonna get the signature player pack. I'm just gonna try to get as many points as I can. I mean, it does end when the postseason starts, but I just don't I don't do this in time, so I don't know. I might just get like 15 points. Maybe get an ultimate player pack and like, I don't know, something else. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna go for that signature pack, even though it'd be really helpful in my lineup. But I do want to combine those silvers, maybe get a shuffle, maybe some golds, maybe diamonds. So I want to do that. I did get another silver, so that's better. So I really look, and let's see. I think I just might combine those. I really hope I get shuffle. Yes. Okay, there's no diamonds. Ooh, I would love that Anthony Rizzo. Or that Aroldis Chapman. That'd be really good. Oof, I really want that Anthony Rizzo though. Let's hope for this Aroldis Chapman or the Anthony Rizzo. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Come on. Maybe it's in the same spot, maybe it's not. I don't know. I'm gonna go right here. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy I got that. Oh, I'm so happy I got that Anthony Rizzo. Now I can upgrade him. Get a better one. Oh, I'm so happy. No, I don't want to do that. What? No. Let's train you. And I'll switch you. I'm so happy you got that. I was gonna go for hard, but that would have been really bad. That Aroldis Chapman could have been good too, but I definitely wanted this more. Yeah, definitely. Let's do this one more time. Okay. So this was a short video. It wasn't that good. But this is all I have today. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe to me. I post daily, and be sure to like this video if you like it, and peace out, guys.